Best deals.
1. Canister. Are made with keeping elegance and practical use in mind. That's the reason we get it right each time. The glossy finish on stainless steel gives your kitchen a fabulous look. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Curd strainer. Storage. Fits all vessels pre-assembled. Foldable stand collapses to just 3 cm flat. Adjustable feet hooks grip securely on bowls, pots, and burnies of all sizes. Food-grade plastic stand is BPA-free and dishwasher safe. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Oil dispenser bottle. Compact and space-saving, yet holds ample oil for daily cooking, grilling, or baking needs. Reusable and transparent, made from clear glass with a food-grade PP cap and a silicone basting brush. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Paniyaram pan. Equipped with a glass lid that comes with a steam vent, this appam pan helps you monitor your cooking while ensuring perfect steam circulation for crispy, delicious appams. This appam patra ensures long-lasting durability and even heat distribution for perfectly cooked appams every time. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Wiper. A powerful cleaning punch, effortlessly wiping away dirt, grime and spills from various surfaces, leaving your kitchen sparkling clean. Suitable for a wide range of surfaces including countertops, tables, glass tiles, and stainless steel. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Cylinder trolley. Crafted from high-quality, durable metal. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Strainer. Crafted from thickened, corrosion-resistant stainless steel that's durable, safe for food contact, and built to last through daily kitchen use. Easily switch between soaking and draining, the flat base lets you soak rice or fruits thoroughly, while the slanted side drainers enable fast, hands-free drainage, perfect for washing rice before cooking. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Garlic crusher. Easy to use, apply downward pressure and rock crusher over garlic. Crushed pieces are held in the curved design, allowing them to be spooned or scraped conveniently into a pan or bowl. Ergonomic, easy to grip handle requires less force. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Tawa. The riveted handle is firmly fixed providing sturdiness, durability and firm grip. Is compatible on induction oven and gas stove for maximum cooking flexibility in your kitchen. Cooks delicious and versatile recipes like dosas, uttapam, parathas. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Saucepan. Is made with a flat bottom which allows it to be placed evenly over heat source. Suitable for use on induction and gas cookers. To be used in low flame, pan is great to cook tea, boil milk, roasting spices. The saucepan is made from cast aluminium body with a non-stick coated granite finish inner layer. Enjoy a low-oil lifestyle with a PFOA-free pan, delivering healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. It offers you a safe, non-toxic, and non-reactive cooking surface. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Pressure cooker. The specially designed curved shape allows for easy stirring and better heat distribution, making cooking more convenient and ensuring even cooking results. Made from high-quality stainless steel. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Sprouter. No soil or sunlight needed, the sprout growing kit allows you to garden year-round indoors. This countertop sprout growing kit creates the ideal environment for growing sprouts like radish, alfalfa and much more. The vessel is made of BPA-free plastic. Sprouts are a rich source of nutrients and can easily be added to nearly any meal, whether it's topping off a salad or adding it to a sandwich. The ventilation system is designed to increase airflow for reduced mold and no more seed clumping. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Hanger. Strong vacuum suction technology. Advanced vacuum suction cups provide a strong grip on tiles, glass, and smooth surfaces without drilling or screws. 5-hook multipurpose organizer comes with 5 durable hooks for hanging towels, kitchen utensils, keys, loofahs, sponges, bags and other accessories. Crystal clear transparent design. Elegant transparent crystal design blends perfectly with modern bathroom and kitchen decor. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Spice Box. Constructed from pure brass, the Spice Box not only offers durability but also adds a timeless elegance to your kitchen decor, creating a sophisticated ambience, meticulously crafted with intricate flower patterns, combining artistry and functionality. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Soap Dispenser. Comes with 4 different time set options, giving you the flexibility to customize the stop time at 0.3s, 0.8s, 1.5s, 2s, allowing you to control over the amount of soap being dispensed and meeting your various need of soap amount. More user-friendly design. With its powerful rechargeable battery, the dispenser is built to last. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Appam Pan. Specially engineered to retain essential nutrients, minerals, and natural flavors while ensuring faster cooking. Tough enamel-coated cast iron resists rust, stains, and high heat daily use while maintaining a stunning finish. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Cleaning Brush. With specialized U-shaped gap brush and precision detailer hidden within the handle for scrubbing lids, seals, and grooves without needing multiple separate tools. Features a unique 90-degree foldable head. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Drying Mat. Offer a durable and non-slip surface for drying dishes, glasses, and utensils. Made from rubber or silicone materials, these mats are highly resistant to water and heat. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Kadai. With glass lid is a premier kitchen cornerstone, merging traditional uni-body craftsmanship with modern versatility. Featuring no chemical coatings, rigid iron handles, and heavyweight heat retention, it is engineered for exceptional cooking on all gas, induction, and oven heat sources. The pre-seasoned cast iron kadai guarantees a chemical-free cooking experience, offering total peace of mind to health-focused individuals and families. You can cook with the assurance that no artificial chemicals, toxins, or heavy metals are leaching into your food. Additionally, cooking in a cast iron kadai offers a distinct nutritional advantage. It naturally enhances the iron content of your meals. Because cast iron is a reactive metal, trace amounts of dietary iron are absorbed into the food during the cooking process. This is particularly beneficial for individuals looking to increase their daily iron intake and combat iron deficiency, a common nutritional concern globally. By relying on a no-chemical coating design, the kadai ensures that you are consuming only the natural flavors and nutrients of your ingredients, unadulterated by artificial additives. It empowers the cook to utilize less oil while achieving excellent results, promoting a healthier lifestyle without compromising on the authentic taste and textures of traditional Indian and global cuisines. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Glass jar are the ideal size for storing spices, herbs, jams, preserves, teas and more. It perfects for homemade candles, wedding favors, shower favors, DIY craft gifts, yogurt maker, pudding, baby food, cosmetics. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Organizer Bag. Customize the interior space to fit clothes, shoes, bedding, or seasonal items with ease. Dust-proof and durable fabric hence protects your belongings from dust, dirt, and moisture while keeping them fresh and clean. Transparent cover design helps quickly identify stored items without unzipping or opening the organizer. Slim, low-profile design that slides easily under most beds, sofas, or cabinets. Reinforced handles allow you to pull out and carry the organizer effortlessly. Easy to collapse and stow away when not in use. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Canister. Includes a one-way CO release valve designed to allow built-up gases to escape while limiting the entry of outside air and moisture. Suitable for storing coffee beans, tea leaves, or similar dry items. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Tadka Pan. Is designed for preparing tadka, melting butter, reheating small quantities of food or quick heating of flavorful spices. Made from 3 mm thick aluminum material for healthier cooking and better heat conduction for faster cooking. The riveted handle is firmly fixed, providing sturdiness, durability and firm grip. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Masala Spices. Crafted from premium-grade stainless steel, the Masala Box for Kitchen is a durable and corrosion-resistant solution for your spice storage needs. With 130 ml each container features a see-through lid for easy identification of spices, ensuring you have the perfect masala dabba for your kitchen endeavors. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Casserole. The 5-liter enameled cast iron casserole with lid represents a transformative cornerstone in modern culinary arts, perfectly bridging the gap between traditional slow cooking methods and the demands of contemporary, health-conscious kitchens. Designed to eliminate the need for chemical non-stick coatings, this heavyweight cooking pot provides an impeccable, natural cooking surface that is safe, highly durable, and free from toxic materials, ensuring that every meal prepared is as healthy as it is flavorful. At the heart of its performance is the marriage of two formidable materials, a robust cast iron core and a luminous, protective enamel finish. This unique engineering yields an environment that is celebrated for its ability to deliver fast, rapid heating alongside an unparalleled retention of warmth. The resulting dish benefits from the pot's superior heat retention, which allows the pulao to remain warm and aromatic for hours after it has been removed from the heat source. For households that frequently entertain or prepare family-sized meals, the generous 5-liter capacity of the casserole provides ample space for batch cooking, accommodating large cuts of meat, voluminous quantities of vegetables, and generous portions of rice or curry without causing overcrowding. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Roti Box. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, the Didki Roti Box container is built to last and keep your Indian bread fresh. This container can hold a variety of flatbreads, including rotis, puris, parathas, naans, and tortillas. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Fry Pan. The modern culinary landscape places a heavy emphasis on both health and efficiency, making the enameled cast iron fry pan, 20 cm, 0.8 L, an absolute staple for any contemporary kitchen. This highly versatile, induction-friendly pan combines the unparalleled heat retention of traditional cast iron with a smooth, chemical-free enamel coating that requires no seasoning. Designed specifically to deliver a non-toxic, non-stick experience, it is the perfect tool for effortlessly cooking delicate items like the flawless morning omelette. The modern culinary landscape places a heavy emphasis on both health and efficiency, making the enameled cast iron fry pan, 20 cm, 0.8 L, an absolute staple for any contemporary kitchen. This highly versatile, induction-friendly pan combines the unparalleled heat retention of traditional cast iron with a smooth, chemical-free enamel coating that requires no seasoning. Designed specifically to deliver a non-toxic, non-stick experience, it is the perfect tool for effortlessly cooking delicate items like the flawless morning omelette, all backed by a reassuring 5 years warranty. The culinary revolution of the 21st century has brought an unprecedented level of scrutiny to the tools we use in our kitchens. For decades, consumers were lured by the convenience of traditional chemical non-stick pans. While these pans initially offered the ease of sliding a fried egg onto a plate with minimal oil, they were often associated with serious health and environmental concerns. Traditional non-stick cookware frequently relied on synthetic polymers, such as polytetrafluoroethylene, PTFE, and perfluorooctanoic acid, PFOA, commonly known as Teflon, which are highly stable under normal cooking conditions but can release toxic fumes when overheated to extreme temperatures. Furthermore, the coatings on these pans are notoriously prone to scratching and peeling, which can result in the ingestion of microplastics and chemical residues over time. As a direct result of these findings, culinary enthusiasts and health-conscious home cooks alike have heavily pivoted towards safer, non-toxic cookware alternatives. This search for safer alternatives has led to a major revival of cast iron. Uncoated cast iron is renowned for its exceptional durability, incredible heat retention, and ability to develop a natural non-stick surface over years of dedicated seasoning. However, bare cast iron comes with a distinct set of challenges. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Glass bowl is made of the highest quality borosilicate glass, which is extreme temperature resistant, -20 degrees Celsius in the freezer to 350 degrees Celsius in the oven, and extremely tough, so it can withstand daily use in your kitchen. You can use these glass mixing bowls to serve dals, sabzis and curries, refrigerate leftovers, reheat meals in the microwave, bake in the oven, mix batters for cakes and pancakes, whisk eggs, set puddings in the fridge. Borosilicate mixing bowls can be used for reheating in the microwave or for baking in the oven. They can withstand temperatures up to 350 degrees Celsius, higher than the highest setting on your oven. As the glass does not absorb stains, it cleans with just a swipe. It's also dishwasher safe. Scratch-resistant borosilicate glass ensures your serving bowls look new even after years of daily use. Crafted in India, built for your lifestyle, discover the first all-Indian borosilicate glass mixing and serving bowl, expertly designed to complement your daily routine with style and durability. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Pan. This formidable piece of equipment features a robust 25 cm diameter that creates an expansive cooking surface, allowing home chefs and culinary professionals alike to sear large cuts of meat, saute voluminous batches of vegetables, or submerge dense foods in hot oil with ease. The geometry of the pan is explicitly engineered to maximize volume while minimizing spatial footprint, boasting a generous 1.8 L capacity that accommodates substantial portions. Such dimensions are critical for deep frying, as they provide the necessary depth to contain bubbling oil while leaving enough clearance to prevent dangerous splattering and spills. Users benefit from a surface that improves with every single cook, releasing foods effortlessly without requiring excessive amounts of cooking oil or butter. Furthermore, because the pan is entirely devoid of artificial non-stick coatings, it is metal spoon friendly, meaning users do not have to worry about scratching the surface or ruining their cookware while vigorously stirring dense stews or turning heavy pieces of frying chicken. The physical makeup of this deep fry pan is defined by its heavy weight, which is arguably its most prized mechanical asset. The sheer density and mass of the cast iron body serve as a colossal thermal reservoir. While thinner metals like aluminum or stainless steel are prone to sudden temperature drops when cold ingredients are added to hot oil, this heavyweight iron pan maintains its temperature with remarkable stability. Product link is given in the 29th link.